I'm Jen, and we have a Whirlpool refrigerator. Our model has a water dispenser in it, and so we have to replace the water filter every so often. And we really love this brand, Ice Pure. Purchased a 2-pack off Amazon, which is a great value, by the way. We've used this ever since we've had the refrigerator, so well over a decade. We use this brand, this water filter in particular. It lasts 6 months, and it's NF certified. It removes chlorine out of the water, odor. I really like the flavor, if you will, of our drinking water straight out of the fridge when we use this. It's very easy to install, which I'm going to show you here. Super easy. Just takes a minute. And the directions, what I like about it, are clearly on the box. I'm trying to do this with one hand. There we go. Clockwise. There you go. Push up and you're golden. So if you're on the hunt for a replacement water filter system for your refrigerator, check the product description and make sure it's compatible with your refrigerator model. But this is great. Like I said, it lasts 6 months, which I think is a great value. And it checks all of our boxes. I highly recommend this product.